Jamaica Customs Agency faces major setback in planned rollout of contactless clearance initiative. Media barred from Bob Marley Beach civil suit hearing. And police investigating fatal shooting at St. Mary High.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. And
I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up in business news, Statin says economy grew by 1.7% from October to December 2023.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you, Herman. Jamaica's team departed today for the Carifta Games in Grenada this weekend. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
And it was very hot today. Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Andrea. We should see a reverse tomorrow. We're adding clouds to the forecast for tomorrow across most of the area. So slightly cooler conditions are forecast, but I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
All right, thanks, Romaine. And there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what can be done to make the procurement process in the public sector more efficient?
Now, you can share your comments online. That's facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.